Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this one, the project we're going to talk about is called Razor Edge. Now this is a pretty unique project on its own, but it has an amazing uncapped potential. Razor Edge has trading bots, and they're not like traditional trading bots. They're much different, and in this video we're going to talk details on what makes them different. But what they do is instead of offering people high APYs that eventually becomes unsustainable, they scrape for 2 to 5% profit on trades, and they share that profit with the stakers of the native token of Razor Edge, which is the Frac AI token. But not in the Frac AI tokens. They don't receive kind of like reflection in the form of Frac AI tokens. When they stake Frac AI tokens, they receive passive income in the form of USDT, which we know is a stable coin. So I'm going to overview what happens in this one. Razor Edge is a project that has trading bots that perform trades. They generate profit through the trades, and those people who stake the native token of Razor Edge, which is a Frac AI token, they receive USDT passively. Now, if you take a look at what's happening here, we have seen project that offers reflection, but the problem is they offer reflection in their own native token. So basically, if we're holding a token, we get more of the same token by just holding it or by staking it. But the problem is, in order for us to take out the profit, we have to take out the native token. We have to sell it, which eventually when people start making profit, they start selling to withdraw the profit, which creates a sell pressure on the token, and eventually they reach their total supply. There's no more token left to be distributed with people, and they just start selling, which eventually creates a sell pressure, and it becomes unstable. It eventually stops or it falls. So that thing we have experienced is not sustainable. But in this one, what's happening is we hold Frac AI token, we stake them, and then we get a USDT. In that case, we don't have to even touch our Frac AI tokens. We can keep them in there, and we can further stake them, and then the period is over, and we can withdraw the USDT as rewards, and we can even compound it over there, which actually they do that for themselves as well. They have a treasury and they compound it also. So other than the 2 to 5% profit that the bots create, they also compound it afterwards, so we get more of it. So this is a wonderful platform that helps us earn passively in USDT. We're going to talk further the details on this, but the amazing thing is right now this project is sitting at, I think, at around $500,000 market cap, which is, I'm not sure what it will be when you guys will be taking a look at this, but right now it is really minimal. And looking at the target audience of this project and the uncapped potential that this has, it can easily go to, let's say, 5 million market cap or 50 million market cap. Even 500 million market cap is possible. And not only this, these type of projects can also even go to $1 billion market cap. We have seen this happen before. So just imagine that if you get into it right now, how much return that we can get afterwards. We're talking easy 10x, 50x, 100x, even 1000x, or even 2000x if it goes to $1 billion market cap. So this, as I said before, it has an uncapped potential, which of course we cannot estimate how much it can go further, but we definitely know it's going to go up way too high. So right now we have the wonderful option to get in, to get into it early, to get the tokens at a much cheaper price than what we will have to pay, if we get into it later at some other time. There's also an aspect when it comes to their bots that if we hold like 1% of the total supply, we actually get to control the bot for ourselves. Like we get to select the pairs and so forth. So this is another amazing option that we have in this one. So make sure that you do not miss this opportunity. This is not a financial or an investment advice. This video is meant for educational and entertainment purposes. So make sure to keep it at that. I'm going to give you guys links in the description so you can do your own research and investigation. So make sure that you do that as well. Now we're going to get details about this project, about the bots themselves. Now, first of all, we're going to learn what Razor Edge actually is. As I said in the intro, this is an algorithmic machine learning based bot on the market. Basically, it utilizes algorithms and machine learning techniques. Its objective is to make the most profitable trades by analyzing data from highest traded cryptocurrencies over the last 3 years. As the bots are programmed with unique settings, they learn and adjust to new variables and data points, continuously evolving and acquiring more information. Their portfolio comprises of 3 distinct strategies that complement each other. The Razor Edge technology was developed by Frek AI, which allows us to execute 3 uncorrelated trading strategies, each with a positive profit factor. This approach reduces volatility and it enables holders to benefit from market movements in both directions, regardless of market condition, which is something that I said in the start, which ensures that the profits are achieved. Razor's Edge bots have been backtested using data from the top 80 pairs for each of their strategies over a period of 3 years. Their product is unique and that is able to make profitable trades in both long and short positions. Other similar coins only have beta versions available for their product, while Razor Edge it is fully launched and is already distributing rewards with a projected annual percentage rate or APR of 200%. We're going to take a look at the real-time performance of it as well. In the first month, rewards yielded a profit of 13% on trading accounts, with stakers receiving $8,000. Currently, 70% of total supply is locked in staking contracts, and even 1% stakers are already seeing returns on their accounts. The yield that is generated by Razor Edge, it is genuine and not dependent on trading volume, which is something that we always have seen happen before, or on the inflationary tactics that are commonly seen in the native token of Ponzi schemes. We've all been there and we have seen that, and we know what happened with Ohm and the Time project. Razor's Edge empowers consumers with the necessary tools to navigate the complexities of ever-evolving market. Their mission is straightforward: to make algorithmic intelligence accessible to everyone. They do not exaggerate claims of massive gains or unrealistic APYs that resemble Ponzi schemes. Instead, they offer reliable, automatic, and continuously running strategies that strive for modest gains of 2 to 5%, which is believable, and it actually happens, and it is a decent amount if you want to make it, passive income. But those that offers really high gains, most of the time people don't get what they're being offered. So in that case, this is the most decent thing that you can achieve. Now, their treasury compound these gains, so it's not going to be just like 2 to 5%. You can further add the compounding in it as well. So these treasury will compound these gains, which allows them to deliver us, the holders, with constant small wins. As a result, we can just basically sit and we earn passively by getting USDT rewards. Now we're gonna have an overview of the bots that we have. So the number one that we have is pullback reaction strategy, in which we have a time frame of 4 hours and a win rate of 74%, in which we have the average profit per trade about 1.49%. So the cumulative profit is 1417%. Now the second bot that we have is the balance of imbalance, time frame of 5 minutes, win rate is 72.6%, average profit per trade is 1.89%, and the cumulative profit of 832%. Now the third bot that we have is persistent imbalance, with a time frame of 2 hours, win rate of 84%, average profit per trade of 0.888%, and cumulative profit of 1610%. Now we're going to talk about the tokenomics of Frek AI tokens. Now, Razor Edge is a project that offers sustainable yield for its holders through its unique tokenomics. It uses all treasury taxes to trade using the Frek AI trade bots, which we just reviewed briefly, providing consistent profits to the holders. Now, Razor Edge offers 2 staking periods, a 30-day period and also a 90-day period or cycle. And at the end of 30-day cycle, profits are split among all locked stakers, and the treasury resets itself from the accumulated taxes. Furthermore, holders who stake 1% for 90 days will have the option to add their own trading accounts using the project's API. Now, let's take a look at some numbers. The total supply of Razor Edge token is 1 billion, with 80% added to Uniswap liquidity pool, 10% saved to be staked in perpetuity of the project, and 10% allocated to an advisory panel pre-sale. Now here's the how the transaction tax is distributed. So when we buy the token, we have a 6% tax, which includes 3% to the treasury, 2% to marketing, and 1% to development. And if we sell, it is again a 6% tax, but in this case, all the 6% that goes to the treasury. So in summary, Razor Edge provides a sustainable yield for its holders, which offer effortless passive income to those who stake their token. Now you can take a look at the real-time performance through this dashboard. So we have a total profit of about 11,000 above right now, and a total balance of $71,000 and a closed profit percentage of 18.51%, winning percentage of 69%, projected APR of 250%. Since it is real time, so it won't be the same by the time you will be opening up and watching this dashboard. Now here's the application where the magic actually happens. We get the option to connect our wallet, so you can connect your MetaMask wallet. Now, since this is on the Ethereum blockchain, so their staking contract rewards solely in the Ethereum token. The contract does not mint new Frac AI tokens. So what you need to do first is buy the Frac AI tokens, and you keep them in your MetaMask wallet. Make sure that you have the Ethereum network selected in it when you connect it. Then you're going to simply connect your MetaMask wallet here and select the amount of tokens that you want to lock, and you're going to select a lock duration, whether 30 days or 90 days, and then you're going to approve the staking contract, and that's it. This is all you need to do. Now you're just gonna sit and get Ethereum. Although do keep in mind that you cannot withdraw your locked tokens until the period ends, which can be of 30 to 90 days depending on which one that you choose when you were approving the contract. Now let's summarize the whole thing. Razor Edge offers a unique opportunity for holders to benefit from the trading profits that is generated by their treasury. When a holder stakes their tokens, they can basically sit back, they can relax, while their Frac AI trade bots, they do all the work. They will constantly scrape for 2 to 5% gains, and the treasury will compound these gains over time. At the end of 30-day cycle, the profits that are generated will be distributed among all the locked stakers. Moreover, for 1% holders who stake their tokens for 90 days, Razor Edge offers the traditional benefit of using the API to trade with their own money. This means that they can make even more while remaining completely passive. The project is thus capable of generating real sustainable yield, and the holders can benefit from effortless passive income by simply staking their tokens. So basically this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll give you guys all the relevant link in the description, so make sure you check those out, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.